So 12 over 18 is equal to 2/3. If we look at that, it's just dividing both sides by 6. So we use this for the next part. The big idea is equivalent fractions. As long as you're doing the same to the top as you are to the bottom, you are keeping them equivalent. So we can divide both top and bottom by y take away 4, because we can see it is a factor of the top line and the bottom line, so the numerator and the denominator. That leaves us with y plus 3 on the top and y plus 7 on the bottom. Now the second part is explaining why they're the same thing. So if we were to factorise or expand, either way you would be able to prove that they're the same thing. It's probably easy to expand, so y plus 3 multiplied by y take 4 is exactly the same as y squared, take away y, take away 12. And we can quickly see the proof using the grid method. We've got y squared, 3y, negative 4y, and negative 12. Remembering the two terms, simplify to give us the negative y in the middle. Now we could prove the exact same for the bottom line, that y take away 4 multiplied by y plus 7 is exactly the same. Again, you could do that using the grid method. The y's would give you the y squared, 7y, negative 4y, which would actually then leave you with a 3y as your middle term and the negative 28 on the end. The only other way that you could explain is if you thought that this way was expand, then you just need to remember that the inverse operation is the opposite way, is factorise.